Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 29th July 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened gap up and traded with a positive bias for most of the trading session and closed in the green. The NSE index gained 1.10% or 264.85 points to end the day at 24,250.20. The gains seen today were due to FYI buying, stable rupee, and expectations of the US Federal Reserve keeping rates unchanged. Most sectors ended in the green, with IT and metals posting the biggest gains as both ended up by approximately 2.3%. Realty and auto were the only sectors that ended in the red given the rise in crude prices. Volatility for the index dipped slightly. Following today's gains, levels may be moved up, with supports now being at 24,215, followed by 24,125, while resistances may be placed at 24,310, followed by 24,385. For tomorrow, Nifty may be expected to witness a negative bias on account of profit booking after today's gains and also on account of monthly expiry for BSE contracts. US Fed rates, if kept unchanged, will result in mostly sideways trading, while a rate hike may send the markets lower. Heavy correction in crude prices could cause the index to head higher, however, and further drop in semiconductor stocks may lead the IT sector to higher levels. The NSE index may witness bullishness above 24,530, while a break below 23,795 could make Nifty bearish. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex fared slightly better than Nifty and closed higher by 1.16% or approximately 889 points at approximately 77,655. Levels for Sensex may be adjusted upwards as well, with supports now being at 77,365 followed by 77,000, while resistances may be placed at 77,745 followed by 78,115. The BSE index may become bullish above 78,660, while a break below 76,080 could make the index bearish. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices opened gap up today but has been trading mostly sideways with a mild positive bias. Iran's attacks on US allies once again raised questions regarding the precarious pause and escalations in the Middle East this week, which caused the price spike. Volatility for the commodity has dipped slightly. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted upwards given the recent gains, with supports now being at 7,885 followed by 7,700, while resistances may be placed at 8,100 followed by 8,280. For today, crude oil may be expected to trade sideways with a mild positive bias, given that fresh escalations have resumed in the West Asia conflict. Supply concerns currently outweigh planned production increase by OPEC plus countries, which has added to the risk premium at the energy counter. Traders may opt for a buy-the-dip approach, given that positive momentum currently holds the upper hand. Crude oil may head to higher levels if 8,280 is breached on the way up, while a break below 7,500 could lead to lower levels. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Adani Ports reported a strong Q1 FY27 performance, with net profit rising around 10% year-on-year to 3,650 crore rupees and revenue growing 19%, driven by robust growth across its ports, marine, and international operations. EBITDA also increased 19%, reflecting healthy operational performance, while the company highlighted strong momentum in its overseas ports business. ACME Solar has secured 3,405 crore rupees in long-term funding from Power Finance Corporation for its 250 megawatt firm and dispatchable renewable energy project. The project, spread across Rajasthan and Gujarat, combines solar, wind, and battery storage and is backed by a 25-year power purchase agreement with NHPC, strengthening the company's renewable energy pipeline. Asian Paints reported an impressive 40% year-on-year jump in Q1 FY27 net profit to 1,539 crore rupees, while revenue increased 18% to 10,521 crore rupees. The strong earnings reflect healthy demand, improved operating performance, and continued strength across the company's decorative paints and coatings business. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinar will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3:15 p.m., Mr. Sanjay G will be conducting a webinar on the topic Master the Art of Classical Chart Pattern Trading Strategy. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Charpe will be conducting a webinar on the topic Market Regime Analysis using India VIX. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic The Institutional Footprint Setup for Options Trading Strategy. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.